Hello, Uptown Swing, Level 2 Classics, the hard week. This was a good challenge and you guys killed it. That's Jeremy.
That's Stacia.
And we did scissor kicks with a drop, and we're gonna show it once with our backs to the camera in case you wanna practice it on your own, and then we'll show it in a swing out. So just remember that the first kick for the follow starts on the left and it starts on 7. And the opposite for the lead.
That's
5,
right.
6, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 5, a 6, a 7, 8, boom. We're gonna go doing a swing out with a rock step. So we'll do a swing out into it, swing out sandwich.
I love it.
Here we go.
Is that ham sandwich? It's got to be the scissor kick the drop sandwich, I think.
We'll talk about it after.
Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8,
A
a
1, a 3, 5, 6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
a
a
1,
1,
a
a
2,
2,
a
a 3, 4, a 5, a 6, a
7,
7, 8, a 1, a
3.
3. And that's what we did!